Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blur part of video in DaVinci Resolve and track it DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. And once you have imported or added already the clip that you want to go ahead and track or blur a part in it, so we're going to go ahead and add this onto the timeline. So simply hold onto that and drag it here onto the go ahead and try out and blur a certain part in here onto this clip. So right after that, we're gonna click onto this icon in here to go ahead and open another settings here onto the bottom part. So the first thing that we need to do in here is to track something. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto this icon in here for tracking. So we're gonna choose circle in here. So you could actually try to go ahead and trace something in here using curve, gradient, polygon, circle, and linear. So we're gonna choose circle here. So we're gonna go ahead and make this smaller and we're gonna track the head for this one or this one, just like that. And right after, once you have added it in here, we're gonna click onto this one to add the tracking effect. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto this play icon in here to go ahead and track this forward. So as you can see, it will go ahead and track the face in here just like that. So we're gonna go ahead and try to add a blur part onto the part wherein it is tracking. So we can move it in here a little bit, or it could just stay it in here like that. So you'll just have to continue doing this up until the end of the video so that it should go ahead and add the blur part onto the whole duration of the video. But we're going to stop in here since this is just for a tutorial. So we're going to pause here. So as you can see, it will stop also the analysis of the tracking. So since we've added something like that, we could go ahead and move this here onto the first part of the video and we're going to go ahead and add in the blur part. So click onto this icon in here to add blur. So right after you've had here, we're going to add or increase the radius in here to add the blur part. So as you can see, it blurred the part wherein we've added the tracking. In a video preview, this is now how the video should look like. So you can see it is adding a blur part onto where we have added the tracking motion. And that is how easy you could go ahead and blur a part of a video in DaVinci Resolve and track it. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.